Welcome to the Power Sports Garage. I'm your host, McCord Blackwell. Today I want to talk to you about the Redband GPS charging cable.
The Redband GPS charging cable looks like any other USB data cable, but has some internal magic that tricks the GPS into thinking it is being powered by the factory GPS power cable. The Garmin Nuvi GPS has two operating modes, data and navigation. Data mode is used for uploading map information, music, or downloading pictures. Navigation mode is used for guiding you from point A to point B. The type of cable used determines which mode in the GPS it is in. If you plug the GPS into a USB power port with a standard USB data cable, it goes into data mode. If you plug in the GPS using the factory power cable, it goes into navigation mode. The factory power cable is okay for cars and trucks where you can plug the power cable into a cigarette lighter and let the cable fall wherever. But on a power sports vehicle like motorcycles, ATVs, or snowmobiles, it's not so good. Put that 4-foot cable on a motorcycle and it's ugly, droops all over the place, and can be unsafe if caught on something as you're riding. A factory power cable also takes a cigarette lighter socket to charge. However, most power sport vehicles do not come with a cigarette lighter because they are wimpy and won't hold up, and most of all, are not weather resistant. Get caught riding in the rain or on your snowmobile through a snowdrift and your cigarette lighter adapter is going to get wet and be toast in a hurry. You can ride in the wet weather and charge your GPS with no issues at all if you install and use a Redband GPS power cable with the patented tap cap from 3VR. So that's where the Redband GPS power cable comes in. It is configured with internal circuitry to look like the factory cable but has a USB plug rather than the cigarette lighter adapter. Use a Redband cable to plug your GPS into any generic USB charger such as the 3VR Power Sports Tab or Tab Lite, and your GPS will go straight into navigate mode. It's as simple as that.
Thanks for stopping by the Power Sports Garage. Come on back next time for more product introductions and updates.